if a rectangle measures 20 meters by 48 meters, what is the length in meters of the diagonal of the rectangle? Now we're given here the measures of a rectangle, the width and the length. And we are asked for the length of its diagonal. So let's say this is the rectangle, and then this is the width, which is 20 meters, and the length, which is 48 meters. And then we are asked for the length of the diagonal. Let's say this is the diagonal of this rectangle. Now, all the four angles of a rectangle are right angles. That means the measure of each of these angles is equal to 90 degrees. So if we cut a triangle into halves using its diagonal, then we will have two right triangles. Now we can find the length of the diagonal by applying the Pythagorean theorem. Now let's separate one of the triangles here. So supposedly this is one of the right triangles of this rectangle. This is the width, which is 20 meters, which is now one of the legs of this triangle, and this one is 48 meters. And now this one, which is the diagonal of the rectangle, is now the hypotenuse of the triangle, the right triangle. So by using the Pythagorean theorem, let's say this is the hypotenuse is equal to c, then c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared, where a and b are the legs of the right triangle. Then we just plug in all the values. A is 48, so that is 48 squared plus 20 squared. And this is 2,304 plus 400. So c squared is just equal to 2,704. And then we get the square root of both sides to get a value of c. And c is just equal to the square root of 2,704. And the square root of 2,704 is just equal to 52. Therefore,